You can allow users to upload any file type, with no size limit, to a designated Google Drive folder through Gravity Forms. This will save hosting space and make file management organized and easier for administrators. To enable Gravity Forms integration, navigate to Google Drive. From WordPress Admin Dashboard, click on Settings, Integrations, enable Gravity Forms integration, save changes. Navigate to Gravity Forms. From WordPress Admin Dashboard, add new form, select a form template, enter form title, click Use Template. From the Fields tab, add Google Drive field. Inside the form editing panel, click on the Google Drive Uploader field. Select existing module type or create a new one. Click on Configure button. You will discover a list of previously created modules to insert. Or, you can create a new one by clicking Add New Module button. Select the module type, File Browser, or File Uploader. File Browser will let users browse through Google Drive folder and upload files to their choice folder. It features a tree-style folder layout for easy navigation. File Uploader will allow users to upload files in a specific Google Drive folder. It features direct file uploads layout to selected folders. Set the module name according to requirement. From the Source tab, select a Google Drive folder to allow users upload files inside the folder. Or, enable folder selection to allow users select allocated folder dynamically while uploading file. From the Filter tab, restrict file upload based on extensions, upload quantity, file size, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure advanced functionality such as show upload box label, upload immediately, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notification once upload is completed. From the Permissions tab, set upload permission settings such as overwrite files, enable folder upload, create entry folder to create a folder on each form submission and store the files in that folder, file name template, and others. You can also set uploader visibility for everyone or logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display Google Drive upload field in Gravity Forms. Upon completing the upload, files will be directly stored in selected Google Drive folder.